Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the great name of Allah. I am Ms.Safia, HST Government Girls High School, Court Road, Nawabshah. Principal name is Madam Shahnaz Lakho. Subject teacher of mathematics. Today our topic is parallel lines and transversal lines. Unit 12, demonstrative geometry. Parallel lines. Lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart, called equidistance, and will never meet. Just remember, always the same distance apart and never touching. The red line is parallel to the blue line in each of these examples. Parallel lines also point in the same direction. Transversal. In geometry, a transversal is a line that intersects two or more other, often parallel lines. In the figure, below line N is a transversal, cutting lines 1 L and M, and making 8 different angles. Now corresponding angles. When two or more lines are cut by a transversal, the angles which occupy the same relative positions are called corresponding angles. In the figure, the pairs of corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5, same side of transversal, and angle 2 and angle 6. These are also same side of the lines. Angle 3 and angle 7. And angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and 8 are the same side of the transfer, and angle 2 and 6, angle 3 and 7 are the same side of the transversal. When the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are congruent. If line is parallel, the corresponding angles are congruent. Consecutive interior angles. When two lines are cut by a transversal, the pairs of angles on one side of the transversal and inside the two lines are called the consecutive interior angles. In the above figures, the angles 3 and angle 6 are consecutive interior angle, and angle 4 and angle 5 are consecutive interior angles. Both four angles are internal the lines L, M, M, inside the line M and L. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line, then the pair of consecutive interior angles formed are supplementary. Now, alternate interior angles. When two lines are cut by a transversal, the pair of angles on either side of the transversal and inside the two lines are called the alternate interior angles. In the figure, the alternate interior angles are 3 and 5, and angle 4 and angle 6. These angles are make different side of the transversal, right hand or left hand. Angle 3 right hand side and angle 5 left hand side, and angle 4 left hand side and angle 6 right hand side. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the alternate interior angles formed by are congruent. Alternate interior angles. Now alternate exterior angles. When two lines are cut by a transversal, the pair of angles on either side of the transversals and outside the two lines are called the alternate exterior angles. In the above figure, the alternate exterior angles are angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8. And angle 1 and angle 7. These two are angle 2 are right hand side and upside the line M, and angle 8 left hand side and downside the line L. Now angle 1 is outside the line 1 and angle 7 is outside the line in transversal N. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the alternate exterior angles formed are congruent.